Good morning and welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Looking at our current surface analysis today, you can see that system we've been tracking the past couple of days has spawned multiple low pressure systems, bringing a large swath of rain to most of the mid-Atlantic and most of the state of Virginia right now. We are currently seeing some rain in our area as well as some elevated winds. Going to be seeing our temperatures pretty stagnant throughout most of the day today with these rainy conditions. And now looking at our upper level winds at 1,000 feet, we have winds coming out of the east at 35 knots, staying pretty consistent throughout the column today and reaching a maximum wind speed of 45 knots at 25,000 feet coming out of the southwest. And our freezing level today is 9,400 feet. Now looking at our visible satellite imagery, as you can see, we're going to be seeing cloudy conditions throughout most of the day today, if not the entirety of the day, with those rain showers in our area. And looking at our radar real quick, again, you can see locked in with rain in our area. Expected to see rain more often than not for the next several hours. Going to be becoming more scattered in showers as we move into the late afternoon, evening hours, but going to be rainy nonetheless throughout most of the day today. And quickly looking at our reflectivity, as I've been mentioning before, going to be seeing rain for the next several hours, becoming scattered in nature as we move into the afternoon and evening hours. Slight chance it could linger on into the early morning hours of Saturday, but going to be seeing some nice clearing once that system does move northeast out of our area. Now, as we pick back up on our long-term forecast model, once that system moves out, going to be seeing some nice clearing on Saturday before the second system moves through on Sunday, particularly in the late morning to afternoon, evening hours, going to be seeing some chances of showers and thunderstorms in our area. Once that moves through, going to be seeing a change of pattern, pretty nice week for next week. Monday and Tuesday, we're going to be devoid of any rainfall. So moving into Wednesday, just a very slight chance we could see a shower. Moving into Thursday of next week as well, seeing dry conditions in our area. Now looking at our 24-hour weather risk chart today, again, rainy conditions throughout most of the day today. Slight chance we could see an embedded thunderstorm during the afternoon to evening hours tonight, looking at about a 20% chance of seeing some lightning in our area. Once that moves through, just going to be seeing a chance of some remnant low clouds early Saturday morning before the sun hopefully breaks through by around 8 a.m., seeing mostly cloudy conditions by Saturday morning. Our temperatures today are going to be staying pretty much the same. We are at 59 degrees still, looking at only a few degrees of difference as we move throughout the next 24 hours with a low of around 56 Saturday morning. Our winds are out of the east at about 10 to 15 knots, gusting up to 27 knots currently, seeing pretty elevated winds throughout most of the day today, gusting up to potentially about 38 knots as we move into the late evening portion of today, and we are currently in a wind advisory. And our tides for today are about 2 feet above normal due to that easterly flow pushing that water into the low-lying areas. Potentially could see some slight flooding in those really low-lying areas around our area. And now looking at the next 7 days, again today we're going to be seeing showers throughout the day, very slight chance of a thunderstorm this evening with a high of 59. Tomorrow we're going to be seeing mostly cloudy to partly cloudy conditions, warmer than today as well with a high of 71. Moving into Sunday, looks like the first half could be pretty good before the showers and thunderstorms roll through late morning to afternoon, evening time frame. High of 69 and looking at about a 70% chance of seeing some showers or some thunderstorms. And then as we move into next week, we're going to be seeing much more pleasant conditions, mainly partly cloudy conditions for most of next week. Highs in the upper 60s to mid 60s, and just a very slight chance of seeing some rain on Wednesday. That's going to conclude our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again on Monday at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Hope you guys have a great weekend.